This is a tutorial on how to do bridge for the 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. class. Start off by speeding up your yo-yo, and if you have a knot, make sure to unloop it. Put your right stick over the left horizontally. Pull the right stick over your left towards your body. The right stick should be lowered to be around the halfway point of the string. Then, fold the left stick over the right towards your body again. The string should kind of look like a W by now. To finish bridge, you'll put the left stick underneath the yo-yo. Pull the yo-yo through the space between your strings furthest to the right. It's easier to get the yo-yo through the largest gaps of the W. Try to not have the bottom stick tilt and balance it for 3 seconds. When you're undoing the bridge, it's important to retrace your steps instead of dropping it downwards, or else you'll get a bridge knot. Take the bottom stick out and unfold the 2 loops you made that became the W before. Be sure to be patient with this trick and make sure to speed up your yo-yo before doing it as well.